Hi there, Frennies! It's your girl Moni Franny, and I'm back with another video. If you just stumbled across this channel and you haven't seen or heard of us, welcome to Moni Franny TV. We're a real vibe over here. On this channel, we focus on fashion, travel, lifestyle, and a sprinkle of luxury. Now, if that seems like something that you're interested in, I would really appreciate it if you watch my videos, if you like, comment, subscribe, and join my group of Frennies, and share with a friend or two. Now that we got that out of the way, let's jump into this video. By the way, this box is so big, I could build a fort. I could sleep in this box. I'm gonna save it. This is gonna be my son's fort for a while. So, quick backstory. The earlier part of July, I traveled to Georgia to go see my dad. So we were shopping around. We were going from store to store. We happened to end up in a Sam's Club, and I got so ecstatic over this chair that I saw. I've seen this chair before on Instagram as well as on YouTube, but I've never seen the chair in person before. So seeing it, like I just had an outburst. I was like, oh my God, like that's the chair that I want, you know, like to do my YouTube videos in. I even took pictures in the chair and everything. So in the moment, my dad was like, oh, you like that chair? And I was like, yeah, and everything. And I was even looking at the price. I'm like, wow, it's cheaper than what I saw it for before, like online. So pretty much, fast forward, my birthday comes around, and you know, with shipping and everything, stuff takes a while. But pretty much, I woke up this morning, I opened my door, and what do I see? This huge box with the chair. By the way, like every time I say box in the video, like I'm always thinking of that beat. Let me know if you know what song I'm talking about in the comment section below. But yeah, this is what the box looked like. And as you could tell by now, I don't know if you could see it, it's the stationary egg chair, and it's the gray color. It's a chair that I'm pretty sure, just like me, you've seen on Instagram or you've seen on YouTube. But I was like, yes, I totally want that chair. And now that I got it, like this is gonna be my YouTube chair. So every time that you see Moni Franny pull up, when I pull up, I'll be in this chair. Now, let me get my handy knife because you know she wretched. I don't have a box opener, so I use my knife. So, got my knife. Now let's get into this unboxing. So by the way, I just want to say, shout out to a man that listens. I mean, even though I said it indirectly that I liked the chair, I wanted the chair, like I really didn't expect my dad to get this chair. So shout out to my dad, like he's the best. Thanks for the chair if you're watching this video. I'm gonna really need that soundtrack. Every time that I do an unboxing video, that song literally, it comes up in my head. I'm just gonna try to cut this off. Okay, so you see they put the stuff around. They wanted to make sure that the chair is secure. Like these stuff, they're like extra hard. So they don't want that to move, you know what I mean? They want to make sure that that chair is in good condition when you get it. By the way, I'm going to be setting up this chair for you guys. Wish me luck. So first look. I should probably get all this junk out of the way, but you guys see what's going on. You guys see? It's already a look. The setup is gonna be crazy. Just stay tuned, guys. So I'm already feeling it out. I'm just getting a little vibe how it's gonna be when I come and I sit in my chair and I'm like, hey there, friendies, what's up? Yes, but anyways, for right now, I gotta read the instructions. As I told you guys before, I hate reading instructions for stuff, but for this, I don't think I'm gonna be able to figure it out on my own, so instructions it is. Wish me good luck with the setup. I'll be doing it all by myself. Nobody's gonna be helping me, so wish your girl good luck. Oh my God, it's the pictures? Lord help me now. It's gonna be an all day thing. I can't. Right now you see that your girl got the base lined up and everything. See, I know how to follow directions. And I got the screws and my wrench, cause gang got the hammer and the wrench. Y'all know that song? So anyways, let's see. I feel like I'm doing something. You know what I mean? Did something. Doing something. Hey. Trial and error right now. So something that I'm learning is that when you're tightening something, before you officially tighten whatever it is, you gotta make sure that everything fits first. So I tightened the one over here and then my other stuff couldn't line up, so I had to take it out. Now I'm about to just make sure that everything fits before I, you know what I mean, try to secure everything 100%. So I'm learning something. So now that I secured the base, I gotta turn it over and put the top on. So let's do this. By the way, this chair is no joke. It's heavy. Woo. Might look light. Might look light, but we heavy though. All right. Yes, honey. All right. So. What?
That's the wrong way, woman.
Almost burst my bubble just when I thought I was doing something. I can't.
Hey, just in case y'all was wondering, she wanted to do this on her own, so don't hit me in the comments talking about why he ain't help you, why your man ain't help you out.
I'm doing this for my friennies. That's how much I love you guys, okay? This is all for you.
Now I'm just trying to say, you know they about to come for me. Didn't you see her struggling while you ain't help her?
Alright, so pretty much I kind of missed a step. So I gotta take this down and put these things, they look like this. I'm just gonna call them a corkscrew. They claim it's a connecting. That's the word that they had for it. Screw this in like that. And also on the other side. Alright, here we go again. Voila! Magic! Hey! See, it wasn't that hard. Easy setup. Once you know what you're doing, easy setup. Hold on, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished? No, actually, I thought I was finished. So, pretty much, there's like a couple more screws that I'm not done screwing. There's like 4 screws. I already put them under. And then I just have to screw them in to secure the top. Before, when I thought I was done the top, I would have probably sat in the chair and the top would have probably fell over. So now I'm just tightening the screws and then I'll be done. No sense of direction, okay? Now it's right. Yes! The Moni Franny TV setup. Hey! Hey! I'm really excited about this gift. I'm really thankful for my dad for listening. I'm really so grateful. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, Share this with a friend or two, and I'll catch you in the next video, guys. Love you. Bye. I really enjoyed making this video for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll catch you guys in the same place. Yes, in my chair. Bye, Frennies.